Punjab Chief Minister Parkar Singh Badal met the family members of martyred Gurdaspur SP Baljit Singh at his hometown in Kapurthala. The Chief Minister said that the entire state of Punjab was very proud of the officer and said that he will treat his family like his own now. However, he stopped just short of assuring government jobs for the children of the officer, which was the demand initially. He also said that there is no point in indulging in blame game over intelligence failure. The anguished family had made a desperate plea to the government seeking government job for the cops' children.
The last ride of late SP Baljit Singh will happen today. We have with us his Rakhi sister, Vandana. Ma'am, do tell us, it's a very sad and a somber affair here.
It's a too sad event. Nobody can forget this event because it is an event which lost life and even the life of the family lost. So they sacrificed his life for the whole country because it is the international attack. It's not an attack from the people of the Punjab. The Pakistan is attacked and he himself alone handled all the chonky. He was the in charge and he himself took the responsibility.
Do you think the country should avenge his death?
I don't believe in avenges, but securities should be so tight that people from the other countries shouldn't enter our countries. So weapons should be so mechanized or modern technology should be there so that the persons who are having their lives lost wouldn't happen in future.
Ma'am, we see you carrying a Rakhi with you. This is in your hand.
This is the 7th Rakhi I was going to bind him, and this is the last Rakhi I will bind him.
Ma'am, I have to ask you this. Yesterday the family was very emotional. They said they will not cremate Baljit Singh's body. So what has really changed?
Actually the problems are there. Baljit Singh, who is my brother, or you can say who was my brother, his father was died in 1984 in terrorist attack. At that time they have to struggle for 2 years to get the job. The family was then imbalanced because they don't want any such struggle to have the appointment letters from the department. But we know now the rules have been totally changed and they will get the appointment letters as soon as possible. So that is why earlier the family was imbalanced, but now with the policies or with the rules of the government, because we are all educated in the family.
Ma'am, the VVIPs have been making a beeline here. Everybody is giving a condolence. What sort of assurance, what sort of action and speak do you really
Actually, ma'am, you yourself know that there are so many cases earlier, and the things the families get from them, it is sure that the persons having kids, if martyred, he will or his family gets a support in the form of service, in the form of compensation, in the form. If a general people die during any attack, they get the 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs. This is the rule of the government and we know government will pay for it. And this is a very big struggle, or you can say very big matter. Nobody can forget. Even the center ministers, Prime Minister is giving a statement that we are so much stunned at this scene and we are helpful for the family for the whole life. All the ministers coming are saying that we will support this family for the whole life without any delay.
Our condolences to the family. Thank you, ma'am, so much for speaking to us. That was Vandana, Rakhi, sister of Baljit Singh, and obviously an emotional family coming to terms with the loss of life and saying that the family is still dealing with a loss. But the fact remains that the family has agreed to cremate Baljit Singh. With camera person Om Ranta, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Kapurthala for India Today.